How to fix Yelp app not working on iPhone. First of all, force close and reopen the app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Then find the Yelp app, swipe it up to close, and you can simply reopen the app from the home screen. Then check the internet connection. Drag down the control center and ensure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can also try loading Safari or another app to confirm. After that, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power plus volume down, then you will get to see slide to power off button available on your screen. Slide to power off, wait a few seconds and turn your iPhone back on. After that, all you have to do is look for the App Store from your home screen and simply tap on the App Store. Once inside the App Store, tap on the search address bar and type down Yelp and search for it. And if there is any update available, then tap on the update and update it to the latest version. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.